me tell you. You remember you erase that out your system. And if that your thing you put for your friend, that not gonna work. That not gonna work.
Oh, Johnny. Johnny be good tonight. That's how the song go. You know it's a Johnny video. From me I sing about Johnny. I mean I thought look at Johnny. I thought King Johnny. Let's roll the clips. Doop.
You class the youth them as dummy kids and handicapped kids.
And the parent of bomber class dummy them.
Because you can't cuss the youth them, you can't style the youth them way there. Yeah, you can't style the youth them way there. And you better style the parent, but you can't style the youth because it's the youth fault. You see what I say? And the youth fault, you know, because like you say, none of my youth them now go do that. You know what I say? Because we have a different communication.
Come here, man.
You know?
We're talking to
You
can't talk to me.
I want to get some more ask.
Ask me 10 questions.
Me know you're over 50 now. I know that time when you have sex, a woman never come to us about Johnny, me miss my period and I feel bad.
What I mean?
A woman never come to us about Johnny, me miss my period.
Look, man. O'clock time, woman come to you and tell us that they want pad and you can't buy the blood clot.
Johnny a bust out secret today. Listen, Johnny dark, you know, man. Cross, angry, and miserable. Don't bring no woman argument to Johnny. That's gonna make him even more mad. Moving forward. This a video, you know, is our next collaboration or mix. Johnny and the rat finger Jed.
And myself me give president to.
Meaning what, sir?
Nothing me not say help me.
Me don't agree with that. So,
When you me no wake up morning time and brush my teeth and wash up my clothes and go cook and this and that.
but who wake you up?
Nothing. So any God see me.
Which God you talking about?
And myself me believe in a.
Who designed the God we talking about?
Who is you?
But with them something there.
You can help me.
I don't have a job.
Hurt dire. For hurt dire, I can't suffer.
You don't have to tell me that.
You have to survive by the hurt. Me have to survive by the blood clot hurt.
Me don't need you to declare that to me.
One way you blood clot, one go do what you do and make me do what me do, right?
Order.
What order?
Have a seat. Have a seat.
You show human being clot face it.
Something wrong with you?
Me I want you know.
You don't think so?
Nah.
Something drastically wrong with you.
You see the road where will not bring me?
Me sorry for you and your friend then.
Don't come tell me nothing, man.
I realize, yeah, you're one of them. I mean, I want to fall in that category. Or that trap like what you fall in.
So we have Johnny, who is dark, Buttercat, who is darker, but Peanut Dread, he's the darkest. Peanut Dread don't live a day. Peanut Dread live a night. Peanut Dread wasn't conceived a day, he was conceived in the middle of the night. And Peanut Dread born a night, towing dog. But Johnny be good. Oh, Johnny, we are move forward tonight. Quick and fast, because the video nice. By the way, you just laugh at the video you just watched. Now like it for me, please. Manners and respect.
Oh, that man. The one who can drink water.
That's six. The man never get no liquor. You never get no liquor.
Where we drink? Water.
Boy, man, you can't do Johnny body, man. Johnny look like say my rum head. They say no more rum for you, Johnny. You drink too much and you talk too much and you're always drunk. Water. Aqua. Moving forward.
Me sexy, me beautiful, me cute, me neat, me sweet.
Yeah.
So I don't know ugly man. We take a woman. A woman that destroy on a blood regime and a health.
Yeah.
Me not deaf and that with none of you.
Hey, you ever watch Snow White yet? And then go in front of a mirror, Snow White go in front of a mirror and say, mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? Johnny. Johnny say my sexiest and the cutest and the sweetest thing in Jamaica right now. Hold them, Johnny. You get all like cow and goat them. Because you don't like woman. Who is the fairest of them all in Jamaica? It's King Johnny. We're moving forward.
Yeah, beat up couple rum bingy. Boy, Johnny, I broke my
Don't
body.
come me. Don't make me stuff in your. Don't make me stuff. Don't do that. Don't even try that shit. Don't try that. You just keep yourself. You might do it on my own. Keep yourself to yourself. You're on 6 bars. Don't mix me up. And you on 6 bars. Don't do.
Why them a trouble, Johnny? You see the rum thing? I really never involved in it. Or a Hennessy. I never see I say good. But anytime them a drink, them always a call Johnny name because they know say Johnny a rum head and it trigger Johnny when them are troubling with rum. Like they have Johnny tongue twist and a rum manners. Cause him not drink and everybody a drink. Boy, Johnny dark tonight. Cross. I must be bound to kill a brother.
If my brethren say come link him.
Yeah, what are you going to link him?
No.
Yeah,
You don't go again.
Yeah.
If
What
my
are you
brethren
going to
say-
link him?
If my brethren say come link him.
What are you going to link him?
What time? What time?
No. You don't force that for me. Come in and go answer that. Cause what you want to hear, if you the answer what you want, you have to go and mobile for that.
No, well,
Me not in the linking thing with no guy after 7 o'clock. Me not there pan after 7 o'clock. Me not link no guy.
Look more, man.
Come check you. No,
About 7:30, 8 o'clock.
no, me can't come link you. But listen, me come link you. At daylight, me come listen and shine. Daylight, when the sun up and shining, me come link you. Me not come after 7 o'clock.
So
Chris.
can I go night?
Because me know it, me realize that all the people that come from in system come link him when it get dark. Why a dark man to link him?
Johnny said he will come link you, but he not link you past 7 p.m. So whatever transaction, whatever business, whatever action, it have to do before 7. Cause guess what? If they're there for the foolishness, no after that business I gonna link no man. Johnny not even want a woman come link him and he not link no woman either after dark. Where Johnny I go link? In call them. Remember say Johnny saying I love human, I love animal them. But anyways, oh my god, video done already? Watch her. I said they ain't shot. I hope you guys had a blast, had a laugh. I sure did. I will more sleep. At what time I know? 1:25 a.m. Do me a favor. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Help me grow the channel by doing just that. I hope you guys had a laugh. I enjoy doing these videos. I ain't gonna lie to you. Searching for them and reacting to them and laugh and kill me team. Sometimes I watch a video them before so me can laugh less because if me videos watch them and react right away, oh my gosh, I would be like this the whole time. Anyways, if you don't stick around for hear me I ramble and I gamble, respect. Stay safe and of course, God bless you, your friends, your family, your neighbors, and your dirty nasty Francis Thinkfoot X.